IVF is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend underscored by its 200-day moving average, which is sloping bearishly down. Okay, let's see. So far in this session of Tuesday, the 20th of January 2026, it has exchanged 240 million shares. Its usual average volume is around 6 million shares. Yeah, the spike occurred or rather began in the pre market session driven by heightened retail interest as evidenced by elevated trading volume I just mentioned now, exceeding $6 million, and discussions across social media platforms, highlighting technical breakouts and potential squeezes. This builds on lingering positive sentiment from the company's January 15 Investor Summit, where the management outlined clinical expansion strategies, including the 2025 acquisition of an Indiana fertility clinic. High short interest relative to small float amplified the move, with traders noting failure of shorts to cover from prior after hour gains, leading to rapid price appreciation and amid low liquidity, typical of pre market sessions. Based on available reports, no new corporate announcement directly preceded the spike. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. Let's see now. The market greed is the stock has exceeded its market greed so far, and the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that this uptrend may remain in place up to Tuesday, the 27th. And projections are currently saying 2.81. Okay, let's see now whether it has printed an intraday high. There's a good chance it may have printed. Yeah, 4.95. Yeah, intraday high 4.95. Okay. Let's see now. Previous this had it had $12.8. It was a pivotal projection. What are the odds that it will go ahead and retest those levels? Okay, let's see what we have on here. Let's see whether there are possible pullback. Yeah, okay, we have between 1.31 and 1.48. There seem to be some support around there. There seems to be some support around there, but let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Let's see what it's going to indicate. On the 4 hour chart, we have the grid here, and before the grid, it's saying that a consolidation is what we should expect up till the 29th of January. So in intraday high, I mean, remember we saw an intraday high of $4 and some fraction. What do we see? What do we see here? 495, and the market grid has reacted to that and expanded beyond that. So currently it is looking down, it's pointing down at 2.79. So 2.68 is possible, even all the way down to 1.03 is very much possible. So we have let's see, what do we have any convergence of moving averages and market grid prices? Let's see. Yeah, we have 1.56, between 1.56 and 1.56, 1.54 and 1.66. That's one convergence we have, and then there's also 1.03 and 1.08, and there's also nothing else, no other convergence. So yeah, there's yeah. We have two supports, and I think there's a chance that 1.03 might print. Well, the lower it gets, it prints down towards this market grid. The the better the better the buying opportunity, the buying window improves. Yeah, as it progresses down through this market grid, the buying opportunity improves. But expect even lower prices. Expect even lower prices to continue to print. That's the problem. That's the thing. That's the issue. As the deep buying opportunity improves, it also continues to improve in the form of lower prices. So caution is surely warranted. This is not a stock that you it's a stock you trade. And when an opportunity comes up, you might jump in. Obviously, not now. Surely not now. Even though it has cooled off, but even lower prices are still expected. Lower prices are surely still expected. Yeah, let's see. Um, yeah, and as I indicated earlier on, I think in the very short term, there's that opportunity of one point between 1.24 and 1.54, looking like a decent one. But at the same time as well, there's the chance that it may even drop below 1.24, even way below 1.03. As things stand right now. We could also just have a look at the market of the price pressure momentum indications. Okay, momentum is expected to continue to weaken. Okay, selling pressure has since kicked in. Yeah, even though the stock has run up a huge gain, you can see here 131 going by what has happened. The algos are indicating that the stock, if you leave it, it will print $130 every 4 hours. But obviously, that's just theoretically, it's just what it's indicating. So yeah, selling pressure has since kicked in. Yeah, at some point it was all the way towards 256. It has continued to weaken, and as a matter of fact, yeah, okay. Selling pressure is let's see what do we have. Um, yeah, let's see. Yeah. Okay, deep. Okay, actually, they're actually buying the dip. You can see the first derivative has continued to increase. So people are most certainly buying the dip. They are surely buying the dip. Yeah, you can see they're buying the dip, and the pace has also increased. So yeah, they are trying their best to make the most of this window that is improving on the stock. So, but caution is surely warranted. Surely warranted. So, see what you make of IVF, and thank you very much for watching this video.